Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to go over the difference between boiling, simmering, and stewing. We are Melissa and Tony, and we're gonna show you how to have fun in the kitchen.
Yeah, woo woo!
Check it out, it's boiling. The thing that we would suggest is, depending on what you're using it for, like things such as pasta, season your water. Add some salt. So, some things to remember about boiling. Again, it is at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is a much more vigorous method of cooking.
Yeah.
Because you're looking for a rapid boil.
Yes, for sure.
This is great for things like blanching vegetables, and then also things like pasta.
Yeah.
So now let's jump into simmering. As you can see, the surface of the sauce is bubbling, and therefore it has come to a simmer. A simmer is really good for sauces like this tomato cream sauce or any other number of sauces, and as well as like when you are making a stew, a lot of times you are bringing that to a simmer as well. For simmering, it is definitely a more gentle process, and there's still some movement, but it is just under a boil, basically. Right. So these are gonna be, it's gonna be good for things like sauces, and you're really looking for a lower temperature just so that you can meld and infuse your flavors of whatever you're cooking together.
Exactly.
Now that we've gone over simmering, let's talk about stewing.
Now, what would be stewing great for? Like, what would you use stewing for?
I don't know, like making stews.
That's actually a really good point.
Also different braises and casseroles. But the main thing is that it's going to cook for a longer time, because usually it's going to be those tougher cuts of meats that need to cook for longer.
Right.
Or you're really just looking for it to have a really good melding of flavors, and that you just really want it to develop.
That's true.
So, longer period of time. Also, it's going to have less liquid. So it's not going to be like a soup, or it's not going to just be a sauce. So it'll be kind of like saucy, but not as saucy.
Yeah. It's saucy, but not as liquidy.
Yeah. So let's check it out. If you're looking to grow your confidence or have more fun in the kitchen, make sure you subscribe so that you can see all of our new videos.
And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications and give us a like.
Bored.
Hello.
Recording in progress. That's not what's happening. The dancing
part. No, it just made me think of Bluey.
Do 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 do.